versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Ipsy Glambag Plus edition. And this time I actually have everything together that I can actually start this intro. Hold on, I got a hair. And we thought it was all gonna be fine. Whatever. I can't get it. Did I get it? Anyways, guys, if you're new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and this is my beautiful daughter, Haley. Still have a hair here. Anyways, guys, over here we embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment and drama-free zone. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. Definitely make sure to check my description box. Haley's channel link will be down in the description box below. And let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. If you guys are new to Ipsy Glambag Plus, this is a $25 plus tax monthly subscription where you're supposed to have a mixture of like makeup, skincare, all of that stuff in here. And this one's supposed to be curated, right?
Yes.
To your profile. There's a profile, I lie on it. I'm 41, but I say I'm like mid-20s. I get better things when I do that. You do get to choose one of the items in your box as well. So this is what the bag looks like. Yours looks the same too.
And when you open it, it says unstoppable.
I will say the bags are getting smaller in the plus. I wonder why.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Okay, what is your choice item?
I think it was this $1 Million Brows Brow Butter Pomade Kit in taupe. But also, I don't remember.
Mine was the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Cleaner. I know I've gotten this in the past. I've not tried it yet, but it's like a $34 doodad.
Oh, I didn't get one of those.
You didn't get a card?
Nope.
Yes, you did. It's right there.
Oh. Oops, sorry.
She's falling asleep on me, guys.
Oh,
normally I'm the
nice.
sleepy one.
This retails for $24.
Oh. I don't think that was one of my options.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
The next item we both have is the the coffee scrub from Organic Feelings, based out of Los Angeles. I have received this before, and to be 100% honest, I never finished it. Like, I think I used it twice.
I heard it's really messy.
Yeah, it is. Like, you have to be standing in the shower to do it. So
is this the full size?
It smells good. Yeah. It's cool. I mean, at least I think it is. It's cool and it smells good, but like, I would not buy it, and I would not want to receive it again just because I still have it from the first time I got it. So.
It has a retail value of $21.99 too. So I would hope it would be larger for that price, because this is not much.
Yeah. I mean, you don't need too much though.
Okay.
So, you wanna go next?
So my next item is the Auto Balm Day to Night palette by the Balm. And I mean, it's okay. I don't know. It has a retail value of $26.50. I haven't been able to play in it yet as of the day that we're filming this video. This has this black primer in here, so you're supposed to lay the primer down and then you can pack one of the shades over top and it gives like a shift to it. I don't know. Like I told you guys in my unboxing, I feel like the balm has kind of disappeared. I know. I thought the same thing. You don't pull it out, nothing's there. I know. There's like a little tab, and I pulled mine out and there was nothing underneath of it. It was just, I don't know the point of it. I guess when you use it up, you can keep the tin. Maybe.
My next item is the Gerard Cosmetics Auto Balm Pick Perfect eyeshadow. Mine has a neutral base, primer, cream in there, and it just, these are the colors.
I don't think it's gonna show, Haley. Scoot it back and then ease in. I like her palette better. It's more my jam.
Oh, hot jam. That retails for $26.50.
So my next item is by Complex Culture.
The brushes are good.
I do like this brush. I do like it. It says it's a concealer brush. It has a retail value of $26, and I like the triangle shape, and it fits perfect under your eyes, blends out nicely. So I'm actually pleasantly happy, surprised, pleased. Yay.
My next item is the Milan and Gotes Revitalizing Eye Cream. It retails for $42, and it says stash this in the fridge for extra chill. Ooh. Works wonders for soothing and depuffing. So that's cool, because I have a little mini skincare fridge I can put this in.
How much is that?
$42.
Dang. Okay, so my next item is the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Liner.
Got the same thing. Is it felt tip?
I don't know. I didn't open it because it'll go to you. This has a retail value of $18. I did what you guys said, and I told them no more of these liners, and
yeah,
here we are. What?
It must be a felt tip. It says liquid liner, but it's in this tube, so.
Yeah, so, I mean, it does say it's vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, hyperallergenic with kale and ginkgo biloba extract. Pitch black. So there's that.
Oh! Is it my turn? Oh, well, yeah.
Did you get it in pink?
Probably. Yes.
It's pink. So this is the Yensa?
YENSA Super 8 lip oil.
I like it. And I like the scent too.
Yeah.
It's real fresh and kind of fruity. And I like that it's not like that stringy kind.
Like the goopy.
Yeah, it's real like comfortable and
it's like really liquidy.
Juicy. Yeah, I like it.
I like it too. This retails for $24.
So what are your thoughts on, we like whipped through that really quick.
Yeah, we had a lot of the same or very similar things, I feel like, I guess. I don't know. Like 3 with the same, right? Or 1, 2, 3 same, 2 similar. Yeah. So the coffee scrub I could do without. You know, I don't really, it's messy, it's not fun. It smells good though. Eyeshadow palette, I'm not overwhelmed by it, but it's cool.
Are you not overwhelmed because of the colors or the brand?
I guess both. Like I don't mind the balm, but it's like it's not something, I don't hear about them very much anymore.
No.
So then the eye gel, I think that's the item I chose because I needed one. Eyeliner, I love felt tip eyeliner. So
well, you use that almost every day.
Yeah.
So you definitely get your money's worth.
Yeah, I get a good use out of that. The $1 Billion Brows, or maybe I picked that. Yeah, actually I picked the brows. So I'm excited. What's that noise?
Focus.
Oh, I'm excited about the brow pomade because I'm always down to try new stuff for my eyebrows, and I'm excited about the lip oil. So I mean, it was a good bag. I liked it, but there's some things like the palette and the scrub I could have lived without.
I mean, honestly, like I told you guys when I did my dedicated video, I don't think it's a bad box, but I'm not excited about it. Like, I'll use majority of the things in here, but I feel like, and I know I sound like a broken record, when you've got like Boxycharm completely killing it with all the amazing products that they've got for $25, and then I kind of feel like I'm getting repetitive products. Like, granted, I've never gotten the coffee scrub before. I don't feel like that thing's worth $21.99, to be honest with you. The balm, I don't really want to see the balm. I want to see brands like we're seeing in like other subscription boxes, you know, like the Dose of Colors or Fenty Beauty is in there. I'm trying to think of some of the other, I don't know, but we're seeing other brands in there, and I just kind of feel like the balm has maybe run its course in the beauty. I don't know. That's just my thought. I'm probably ticking off a lot of people. Luckily, it's a judgment-free zone here, and we're allowed to have an opinion without like beating each other's booties, you know? The Complex Culture concealer brush, I actually really like it. It's a really good brush, and I like the lip oil. So overall, it's a decent box for the price. Not my favorite, but I will say the Ipsy Glambag, definitely my favorite. Like, I felt like it was really like, I was done with Ipsy, but I feel like my March Glam Bag, $12 bag, I thought it brought it back. I'm not as mad with Ipsy. So anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check the description box down below for a referral link. We are not affiliated or sponsored or anything like that, but we do have a referral link that everybody gets when they sign up with Ipsy. Definitely make sure to check Hailey's channel out down below, and my second channel, HotmessMommaBussiness. I do plan to be a bit more active over there. Kind of took like a 3-week hiatus, but I'll be back. It'll be fine. So anyways, guys, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.